Hello everyone and welcome to our Christmas assembly and the last day of our school year. Given the year that we've had, it almost seemed like it would never finish. From being locked down to having online school and every other challenge we faced, it really seemed as if it would never come to an end.
But here we are, at the tail end of what has been a year that all of us will surely remember. But as we look forward to 2021, we come together as a school to truly celebrate the spirit of Christmas with all of you. Here we go.
It was a month before Christmas in all of the town. People wore masks that covered their frown.
The frown had begun way back in the spring.
The global pandemic changed everything.
They called it Corona and the virus spread fast.
Like a wildfire that starts when fueled by gas.
Airplanes were grounded, travel was banned, borders were closed across air, sea and land. From March to July, we rode our first wave. People stayed home, they tried to behave.
When summer emerged, the lockdown was lifted, but away from caution, many folks drifted.
Now it's November, cases are spiking. Wave 2 has arrived, much to our disliking. It's true that this year has had sadness aplenty.
We will never forget the year 2020.
And just round the corner, the holiday season. But why be merry? There is no reason
To decorate the house and pour up the tree.
No one will see it, no one but me. Outside my window, life just goes on. I suddenly think to myself, let's dig the holes. Christmas isn't cancelled and neither is hope. If we lean on each other, I know we can cope. Christmas isn't cancelled, it could never be. Because the joy and peace it brings depends on you and me.
Christmas is celebrated throughout the world with great joy, as Christians celebrate the anniversary of the birth of Jesus Christ, whom they believe brought light and salvation into the earth that is perishing. Please sit back and enjoy as two dances and as well as a song called I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day are presented.
I heard the bells on Christmas Day. Their old familiar carols play. Mild and sweet their songs were.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this assembly, and on behalf of the school, let us join the early years as they wish us a wonderful and blessed holiday. See you next year.
Happy